If you send out an email and have forgotten an attachment or want to say something differently and you need to recall or undo the send, hopefully the person is within your organization because Outlook treats it differently, but here's how you do it. You'll go to your sent folder and then you'll click on the email that you want to recall. You can right click on the email itself and then go down to advanced actions and you can go down and click on recall message. And then from there, you can decide if you want to only recall it or recall and open the message so that you can retype it or make your changes and then resend it. We'll just hit only recall this message, hit OK. From there, you'll receive a message recall report email that'll allow you to view the message recall report. Sometimes it will say pending if it's still working, trying to recall the message. If you send it to multiple participants, it will try to recall them from them all. And if they haven't opened them yet, it will recall them back as long as they're within your organization. Best case scenario, you'll see under details here, message was successfully recalled and you're all good. If the person is outside of your organization, Outlook will not be able to recall the message. But the weird thing is the recipient outside of your organization will receive this email, which is just a weird email to me. It just is a strange situation.